All right, to ground your machine, just pick up any replacement plug. We're going to connect to the ground lead. That'll be the green one. You're just going to connect one wire to that and go ahead and screw that together. That'll just provide a convenient way you can plug that into an outlet and be assured you're connecting to an earth ground. On the machine side, strip back at least an inch or more of wire. More is not going to hurt you. Now you can attach to the corner post. This is just holding your handle on essentially. So that's a 10 millimeter driver there. So you can wrap around that nut and attach there. That's a good out of the way spot. You can also attach to the thumb screw on the dust hood. If you are going to attach here, make sure you get the wire wrapped around very well and that you got it pretty secured on there. It's very important that we have a good metal to metal contact on here. And then just tighten it up. And that's all that you need to do to ground your machine.